Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. How are you all? Samaj International. What we were doing now, lecture number 5. We were doing the classification of all the atoms, and we supposed an example that so far we have 1000 atoms only, and we have taken out 15 atoms which are similar. In which respect every atom out of these 15 has one electron, one proton, and no neutron. Got it? And you have set aside all these 15 atoms and make a group, and you named that group called hydrogen. So what is this hydrogen? Name of the family, name of the family of these atoms. Okay, fine. What you are doing? You are again checking these. You are again checking these 985 atoms. Then you marked out one atom which has 8 electron, 8 proton, and 8 neutron. And you have taken out 20 atoms of this same category. 20 atoms out of these 985, and these 20 atoms you have make a group of all these 20 atoms and name this group oxygen. So what is oxygen? Oxygen is the name of the family. Which family? Which group? In which all the atoms, those atoms who has 8 electrons, 8 protons, and 8 neutrons are called atoms of oxygen family. Got it? Likewise, you separate out different atoms, like you have taken out 35 atoms, 35 more atoms, 35 more atoms, and these 35 atoms have 17 electrons, protons 17, and neutrons 18. You have separated them out, 35 atoms, and make a group of all these 35 atoms because they all are similar, and name this group chlorine. So what is this chlorine? Chlorine is actually group of those atoms which has electron 17, proton 17, and neutron 18. Got it? Likewise, you made different groups of atoms like fluorine, bromine, iodine. So what do you see in your periodic table? What do you see in your periodic table? What they are? Your teacher teaches you that this is, all these are elements. Okay, we will discuss this element, no matter, don't worry at all. We will discuss in this video how they are also called. The hydrogen is also called, the oxygen is also called an element. What is this element? First of all, what is this element? Things. Living thing or non-living thing? Definitely, if the element is a thing, then how many types of things you have? Two types of things, the living things and the non-living things. This is a non-living thing, and if element is a non-living thing, then how many types of matter basically you have? Two types of matter, the living things and non-living things. So non-living things are matter. Okay, so finally element is a matter, and if element is a matter, then occupy space and has mass. Definitely. So elements are things which are non-living things, and they are matter. Why they are matter? Because they occupy space and has mass. And if the elements is called a matter, then matter is made up of which thing? Particles. And we have so far sought out particles. We have made group of particles, atoms. We are discussing these atoms, and how many types of atoms are there? 118 types of atoms are there. 118 types of atoms are there. 118 types of atoms are there, and all the atoms are called particles. So which type of particles are actually involved here of making this element? Can we call this marker an element? No. Can we call this board an element? No. Although both the things are non-living things, it does not mean. All the elements are non-living things, but it does not mean that all non-living things are element. No. So, which things are actually called element? Things which are made up of same type of atom. Things which are made up of same type of atoms. Things which are made up of same type of atom. Same type of atom. What do you see? What do you say about this marker? This marker is made up of atoms. Same type of atoms? No, different type of atoms. What do you say about this board? It is an element? No. Made up of same type of atoms? No, different types of atoms. What do you say about gold? Gold is a non-living thing. What do you say about iron? Iron is a non-living thing. This gold is made up of same type of atom. That's why gold is called element. Iron is made up of same type of atom. That's why iron is called element. Hydrogen gas is made up of same type of atom. That's why hydrogen gas is called element. Oxygen gas is called element. Fluorine gas is called element. Bromine is called element. Sodium, magnesium, argon, krypton, xenon, copper, calcium, all these names which you have listened, all these names which you have seen in the periodic table are actually made up of same type of atoms. That's why they are called element. Are you getting me? They are called element. So what are the elements? Elements are only those things which are made up of same type of atoms. Got it? Be with me. Lecture number 7. Inshallah we will discuss compound, because still we have not finalized all the things. We know all the things around us are made up of particles, are made up of atoms, and out of all those things, only those things are called element which are made up of same types of atoms. But still a lot of things are remaining on our earth, around us, in our room, in our life. Trillions and trillions things are remaining. So be with me. Okay, take care of yourself. Again, no like, no subscribe, only share.